Hi, I'm Abhishek Deesawala and welcome to Cox Street, Mandurah. Step inside and you are greeted with a light-filled, open-plan living space perfectly designed for comfort and easy everyday living. A modern kitchen with stainless steel appliances plus split system air condition. Enjoy your own private balcony, the perfect place to relax after a long day. Just a minutes from the stunning Silver Sand Beach and a short walk to shops, cafes, and the town center. And remember, I don't just sell the home, I selling property with the personality. Contact Abhishek Deesawala today.